Hey there, tech fans. Today I'm testing the stabilization capabilities of the brand new DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro camera. This product has a feature called RockSteady, which is electronic image stabilization. And essentially that feature tries to correct for any movements of your hand in the actual footage you're recording. And the way it does that is the camera actually oversamples the image, and then it reads the gyroscopes inside the unit, and it anticipates how your hand's going to be moving or your car's going to be moving, and it actually digitally moves that image around to correct for that movement. So it's constantly canceling out any movement the camera is making in the actual footage. Now, DJI introduced this several generations ago, but the latest version of it is right here in the brand new Osmo Action 5 Pro. Now, I can't wait to test this, so I thought the best test would be to strap it to the front of my car and drive down this incredibly bumpy road with a DSLR camera behind it. And that way you can see how much things are shaking, and then I'll show you what the footage looks like from the Osmo Action 5 Pro, because that electronic image stabilization in the Action 4 was pretty incredible. So I can't wait to see how much it's improved in the brand new Osmo Action 5 Pro. So stay tuned for that footage. I hope that test was helpful in showing you just how effective the RockSteady feature is in the Osmo Action 5 to really stabilize your footage. And I'm telling you, I hit every bump and every hill in that road, and if you're watching the footage from the DSLR camera, you can see how much the car is moving and how much that camera is shaking. And the Osmo Action 5 was able to correct for all of that. And what it comes down to is a lot of the action cameras on the market have electronic image stabilization. But it's the software behind it, it's the algorithm and the AI that anticipates the movement of the camera in advance of it actually moving based on reading the gyroscopes inside the camera, where it can smooth out that footage and really give you a rock steady image when you're moving the camera around, because an action camera is supposed to be used for action. So you're putting it on your car, your jet ski, your motorbike, whatever you're out there riding, and you want this to be able to stabilize that footage when the camera gets moved around an awful lot. And that RockSteady feature takes care of that for you. So hopefully you found this review helpful, and thanks an awful lot for watching.